Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble this children's ride-on electric UTV. Be sure to keep your user guide handy for additional information about safety and assembly. Before you begin, make sure you have all of the pieces. If anything is missing or damaged, it could compromise the safe operation of your vehicle. Step 1. Install the fenders. Turn the vehicle upside down. It's best to do this on a mat or a carpeted surface so you don't scratch the vehicle's body. Before installing anything, you should cut away any plastic ties on the body and remove all the accessories. You can then install the fenders. Please note that the front and rear fenders are different shapes. You can install them according to the orientation in this diagram. Step 2. Prepare the steering rod. Turn both front suspension arms outward. Rotate the center bar and attach it to the adjacent suspension arm. Be sure to insert the steering rod through the slot before tightening the center bar into place. Step 3. Install the front tires. On each side of the front suspension arms, place one large washer, a tire, a small washer, and a lock nut. Tighten the nuts with the provided wrench and finally snap on the hub cover. Step 4. Install the rear suspension. Lower the rear suspension into place. Set the left and right shock absorbers into place and align them with the rear suspension rod. Be sure to sandwich each shock absorber between two washers before securing them with the nuts. Tighten the nuts with the provided wrench. Step 5. Install the rear motors. Insert the rear axle into the sleeve. Place a large washer on each end, followed by one of the motors. Connect the wires coming out of the motors to the wires coming out of the vehicle body. Step 6. Install the rear wheels. On each side of the vehicle, slide one wheel onto the rear axle, followed by a washer and a nut. You will need to tighten both nuts simultaneously with the provided wrenches in order to secure the wheels in place. Finally, place a hub cover on each wheel. Step 7. Install the steering wheel. Remove the steering wheel screw and nut and connect the steering wheel cable to the wires coming out of the vehicle body and slide the steering wheel onto the steering stem. Align the screw holes and then reinsert the screw. Tighten with a screwdriver to lock it into place. Step 8. Install the seats. Slide the seat bench into the seat back and set it in place in the vehicle. Be sure that the seat back notches into the slots on the back of the vehicle body. This is an essential step to making sure that your child stays safe while riding. Step 9. Install the light bar. Clip together the wire connectors coming out of the light bar to the wires coming out of the left bracket. Connect the left and right brackets to the light bar, and then connect the wires from the left bracket to the wires coming out of the vehicle body. Tuck the wires out of the way and snap the light bar assembly into position. Step 10. Install the front accessories. Insert the front windshield into the corresponding slots and press down until it clicks into place. Lift the front bumper into position and align the holes so you can affix it into place with 6 screws. Step 11. Install the tail basket. Set the tail basket in place at the rear of the vehicle and connect it to the vehicle body using 8 screws. Step 12. Connect the power. Open the power compartment located under the steering wheel and clip together the 2 power connectors. Turn on the vehicle by pressing the large red button to ensure that power has been connected. If the vehicle does not turn on, check the connection or try charging it for a few hours. Charging the vehicle. To charge the vehicle, open the charging port under the steering wheel and plug in the charger. Then insert the charger into a power outlet. It's best to fully charge the vehicle before the first operation. Please do not charge the vehicle for longer than 12 hours because this could permanently damage the battery. Operation. Operating the vehicle is super easy. The red button turns the vehicle's power on. Use the forward and reverse switch to select which direction you want to go. Push down on the pedal to make the vehicle move. Release the pedal to slow down and stop. The vehicle's dashboard features a USB port and an auxiliary port for connecting a mobile device or MP3 player. There is also music and volume controls, track selection, and a battery level indicator. To pair the remote control with the vehicle, Press down and hold the forward and reverse buttons at the same time until the red LED lights on the remote begin flashing. Press the vehicle's power button. When the LED lights on the remote go steady, it means the pairing has been successful. Congratulations! Your child's vehicle is ready to go. We hope you enjoy many years of safe and happy riding.